Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the advanced additional settings, date and time. If you want to set your date and time manually, you have to disable this feature, use network provided time. Here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone. If you disable this feature, use network provided time zone, and here you can select time zone. You can also change your time format for 24-hour or for 12-hour, and there's also a feature for dual clock if you want to see two dates and times on your screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.